What's up, guys? It's Mr. Fit to Flourish. Welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Today we're going to be talking about setups. So a setup is simply a chart pattern that leads a trader to believe that one thing is going to happen over the other. So it leads them to get into a trade in a certain direction. So beginners should typically only enter when you see a signal bar. So a signal bar is a bar that forms that leads you to believe that getting in the trade after it finishes forming leads you to believe that it is a good indicator that the trade is going to go in your direction. So a signal bar gives you confirmation that you should be getting into a trade. And confirmation is simply the idea of waiting for an event or pattern to form on a chart before you get into a trade. Some signal bars we talked about a little bit earlier, and they would be bars like dojis or slingshot dojis, hammer dojis, hanging man dojis, morning star dojis, big bars, up down bars. A lot of these different bars can act as confirmation. After a confirmation bar is formed, you want to get in one tick after the bar closes. A tick is simply the smallest measurement of movement up or down in a security. Now here are a couple examples of confirmation bars. So here is one to the upside on the left hand side of the screen, and then one to the downside on the right hand side of the screen. Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth.